Morgan, and welcome to SOTI SYNC 2023.
SOTI SYNC 23 has been a great event. Getting to actually have those interactions, being able to really just talk to people and build those relationships, walking around the vendor showcase, seeing what new toys.
One of the highlights is to meet up with a bunch of people all over the world doing similar things as we do in our country, and to have an exchange here and also get inspired.
I've got a professional training session, but also some expert that was really going into the depth, so I really upgrade my knowledge over there.
Well, the most interesting thing was actually how SOTI will incorporate AI in the future. So the whole keynote of your CEO was very, very enlightening.
The most interesting thing that I learned is how much innovation they put in the roadmap, implementing AI technologies and their upcoming products and versions. This is amazing to see.
The host city, Munich, I love it.
Choice of this city was actually quite good, especially in this time of the year when the Oktoberfest is happening.
And being able to go to a beer garden type event, which I've never been before, I'm honestly a little bit scared of, but we'll see tomorrow morning how that feels.
SOTI rock! SOTI rock!
To describe SOTI SYNC in 2 words, I think at this moment, a lot of beer. But that are 3 words.
Let me use only one word, it's awesome.
In 2 words, lederhosen and awesome.
Inspirational and fun.